Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we're flipping the script on what it means to actually love your job. So let me ask you a real question, okay? Do you know anyone who actually likes Mondays? Me neither. And that's a huge problem. Here's the truth. Most people don't hate working. They hate feeling disrespected. They hate being treated like they're replaceable. They hate waking up with zero motivation because their job doesn't mean anything to them. And bosses? A lot of them hate running their business because they feel like they're babysitting. Does any of this sound familiar to you? So let's be real. You spend more time at work than you do with your family, more time with your coworkers than your own friends. So if your job is draining you, stealing your energy, and not giving you anything back, it's not just a job you don't like, it's killing your spirit. And on the flip side, if you're a business owner, every time someone quits or slacks off, it feels like you're doing everything yourself. You can't grow, you're just surviving. That's not a dream. So let me tell you about a buddy of mine. He used to work construction. He hated every second, not because the work was hard. He actually liked that part. He just had a boss who never said thanks, never explained why anything mattered, just barked orders. Then one day he finds this plumbing shop, right? With a small crew, tight team. The owner had a clear purpose. The boss actually cared about helping people and helping his team grow. So fast forward 6 months, same guy, different life. He's making more money, got a plan to start his own thing someday. And get this, he looks forward to Mondays because the boss wasn't just a boss. He was like the coolest boss, someone who knew how to lead. That's what this movement is all about. We're building something called findacoolboss.com. It's a new kind of job platform, not for corporate, not for suits. It's for people who want purpose, respect, growth, and a damn good reason to get out of bed. And for bosses, it's the easiest way to stop hiring duds and start building a real dream team. This ain't some tech company pipe dream. This is built for real people in trades, retail, small biz, anywhere people still shake hands and actually give a crap. All right, guys, if you want to see where you stand as a boss, or you want to find out what kind of leader you need in your life for in a boss position, comment the word cool below, and I'll send you this free one-page PDF called the Cool Boss Factor Assessment. All right, this thing takes less than 10 minutes. You're going to find out what your pros are as a leader, what your strengths are, and also your weaknesses. And when you're able to build on those because you're aware of them, then you're going to see that's how you build a dream team. This thing's crazy accurate. And if you're not a boss, you still want to do this thing because this will give you a little bit more insight on what you might be looking for when you are looking for that leadership in your job or in a future job. Guys, we're building a movement here, one where people actually love going to work again, where employees grow, where bosses lead with heart and vision. But we can't do it without you. So hit subscribe, share this with someone who's stuck in a toxic job or a boss who wants to change. Let's build something that actually matters. And hey, don't forget to comment cool below to grab that free Cool Boss Factor assessment. I'll see you in the next one.